In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import items in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in to the correct organization before making any changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that the item data you want to upload is already prepared in a compatible file format. This helps the process go more smoothly and reduces the chance of upload errors. From inside Zoho Books, click on Items. This will take you to the section where all your products, services, or inventory-related entries are managed. If you're importing multiple items at once, this is the right place to do it because Zoho Books gives you an import option directly from this page. Once you're in the Items section, look for the three dots menu. This is usually where additional actions are grouped together. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu, and then select Import Items. That will open the import screen, where Zoho Books will guide you through the upload process. Next, click Choose File. This is where you'll locate the file from your computer that contains the item information you want to bring into Zoho Books. Browse to the correct folder, select your file, and upload it. It's a good idea to double-check that you're choosing the latest and correct version of the file before moving forward, especially if you've made recent edits. After the file uploads successfully, simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Zoho Books will typically walk you through the remaining setup, including reviewing your file data and confirming how the information should be imported. Take your time during this part so you can catch any mismatched fields or formatting issues before finalizing the import. If something doesn't look right, pause and review the details carefully instead of rushing through. A quick review at this stage can save time later and help avoid cleanup work after the import is complete. Once you finish the on-screen prompts, Zoho Books will complete the import, and your items should appear in the Items section. At that point, you can review the imported records to make sure everything was added correctly. That's all it takes to import items in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.